Hey there, it's Kathy again. I'm glad that you stopped by. I hope you are enjoying this 3-day weekend just like I am. And guess what dropped off at my house? And it's kind of late in the month, but I think it'll be just fine. It is my Ipsy Plus Glam bag for May 2020. Before we begin, if you're new to my channel, great to have you. I'm glad that you can stop by, and don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and don't forget the little bell below. And you know what? Let's jump on board. And if you not know what Ipsy is, they have 3 levels of beauty subscription, for beauty products. They have the Ipsy Glam bag, which is $12 a month, which I think is fabulous. And then they have the Ipsy Plus, which we're doing today, is $25. And then they have the Ipsy Ultimate, which is the big daddy, for $50 a month. So here we are. I haven't opened it up, so let's zip right in. Thank goodness I had my scissors available. So here's the box. Here's what it looks like, and here's everything in it. And you know what? For the past couple months, they haven't had any, cards in it. So I will definitely, leave prices here, when I can find them, and I'll let you know what they are. So we got the same card as we got in the Ipsy Glam bag, and it just says "Get It Glow," and it tells you how to do it and why, and all the other fun stuff, and kind of cute. I think I enjoy it. And let's jump on board and let's see what we got. Every month we get a bag, a makeup bag, which I think is adorable. And this month, look at this. Look at that. Isn't that cute with the blue ombre with the yellow? Here is the one from the Ipsy Glam bag, the $12 one. So it's a little bit smaller, but it has really nice shape. It has the same ombre, and look at the little tassel. I love it. Oh my God, and has the little Ipsy. And then look at this. Isn't that just a gorgeous inside? And I think it's cute as a bug. So I love getting these, and especially, you can trade them out and keep them in different purses. So, you can have your makeup with all your time. You can look really glamorous when you pull out your lip gloss and all that versus having it all in the bottom of your purse. Big thumbs up for that. So let's go for the first item. And this is the Tarte Lip Paint. And this is in the color Front Row. So let's take a peek at this. Good. Okay, here's the actual lip paint right here, and this is cruelty-free, and it's a lip paint. So you have to be careful with these because they stay on for a long time once you put them on. So I'm going to do a little bit. Here's a nice doe foot right here, and I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. And these suckers, they dry really fast. So if you get anything outside of that, make sure you get to it really fast. Otherwise, you're just going to have a big glob there for a long time until you get it off. But that's a really pretty color. So I like this one. Next up I have is Wander Beauty. And this is kind of interesting. What is this? It doesn't have anything with it. Let's see. It doesn't say what it is. It just says Wander Beauty. And it's clear. I don't know, but it has a little bit of a brush on it. So it might be for, your eyebrows. Okay, I was right. It is a brow gel to put, all this into place after you use, your pencil, and you put it into place. This will make it stay. And this is $22. And the Tarte right here, the lip paint is $20, and it's a full size. Okay, I just really don't like to have to look over here, and it looks really rude. Then we have here, which is something that I picked, is from Color Rain, and this is vegan, cruelty-free, paraffin-free, and gluten-free. And this is the eyeshadow palette, Mimosa Moment. And you know what? I just never really had the opportunity to get, you know, colored rain and all that, but I think it's really fabulous. So here's what the palette looks like on the outside. It's a little bit of a plastic, and the price on this one is $22. And look at this. Let me see if I can get this there. Look at those colors right there. Really nice, reminiscent of when we were way back, you know, getting the, you know, the Too Faced palettes, you know, where that had all those really nice soft colors. And this one kind of drew out to me, and it was kind of, you know, it has a little bit of a shimmer, it has some mattes, but it's not those out the way colors, and it's just really muted. I think it's really pretty, and I just kind of, this was my pick, you know, because you get a selection, you know, to pick one of your items that you really want, and this was mine. And as I said, this one is $22. Then I have is Mud Masky, an after mask vitamin serum right here. And are you kidding me? $52.88. $52.88. I don't know where they got the 88, but that's kind of a package here. Doesn't even feel like it's full, but you know what? I better do some magic on it. And it does have the little seal, so I'm not going to break it open. But okay, that's fine. And it's you know, has vitamins, pH balance, extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting, and nourishing right there. So that's okay. Then the last item is from Girl Tac, and it is a Skin Glow Duo, and this is $26. Oh my goodness, is it shiny. But you know what? I love packaging nowadays. They're just coming out with great stuff. Wow. Look at that. Let me see if you can see it. There it is. And you can see that it's two colors, and it's a kind of an ombre, and it has like the you know, the really nice little dripping here. Looks like it's a little rainy day with dew going on it. And one side is a highlighter, and the other side is, let's see. Ooh, that is beautiful. Ooh, is that soft. Oh my gosh. They are both a cream, but look at those. Let me see if you can get that. Whoa. Let me see that. So let's take a peek. They're quite soft coloring. And you know what? It's a highlighter duo. One is a pearly champagne and the other one is a coral, which is very nice. And it is a kind of a cream, but I think it would be quite nice. And you can really build this up or just put it on just for a soft little touch. Now let me put it on right there. Whoa. Let me put it. Whoa, those are beautiful colors. Wow. Okay, but it's kind of like an oily kind of a thing. So, you know, I don't know about that, but I'll give it a whirl and see how it works. But looks pretty good to me. I think it's kind of shiny out there, and so I think it's a really great glow. So let's refresh here and talk about what we got. We got the Girl Tac Dual Highlighter Duo. We've got the Tarte Lip Paint. We've got the Wonder Beauty Eyebrow Gel. Then I got my pick right here, which was from Color Rain, and this is the Mimosa palette, and I can't wait for this one. And then we got the Mud Masky, the serum, for $52.88. So let me know what you got in your box, and if you really liked it, and let me know your thoughts on mine, and let me know if we got twinsies. I think it'd be great to compare. So anyways, you have a fabulous one, and you have a great day, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the little bell below. I really appreciate it. Take care and have a fabulous one.